Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude with your Google Calendar. We are going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do to connect Claude with your Google Calendar is to come here to Claude, and then you're going to click on Customize on the left-hand side. Here you're going to select Connect Your Tools. And in the search bar, you are going to type Google Calendar. So you're going to see here the Google Calendar. You're going to press the plus symbol to connect, and then Claude will prompt you to connect to your Google Calendar. So all you have to do is to select your email. You will allow Claude to have access basically to this calendar under your email. So you are going to say continue. And from this point onwards, you will be able to control your calendar inside Claude. Now you will be able to see here also from calendar, you will be able to prompt here and reference your calendar. In order to understand what are the options here and the opportunities, if we go back to customize, connect tools, and we go to our Google Calendar basically here, and we open this screen, under tools and prompts here, you will see what is available at the moment, meaning what you can do from Claude to your Google Calendar, how you can interact. So you can create events, you can delete events, you can find meeting times, you can find what is your free time, you can get information on any events that you have in your calendar, you can find user emails, you can schedule meetings. Basically here you can create meetings and events, you can analyze availability and so forth. And of course, you can give your own prompts and you can interact from Claude with your Google Calendar. So that's all for this video. That's how easy it is to connect your Google Calendar with Claude and take one more step towards automation. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links